Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I will be showing how I achieve my foundation routine. I already did my eyes. I did that separately, and don't worry, I'll link it with this video so you can go watch how I achieve this eye makeup. In this video, we're just gonna focus on the face and really show you guys in depth how I achieve my full face. The best part of it all is that all the products that I'm about to use are all affordable. They're all drugstore, or even if they're online, they're super affordable. This is perfect for everyone that is going back to school and is on a budget and don't really want to break the bank, but they want to look fly in class and looking good for their crush. I got you, girl. If you want to learn how I achieve my foundation routine, then please keep on watching. I use the NYX Photo Primer, and today I'm going to use the Pro Conceal, the light yellow. They have the light yellow and then they have like the darker yellow. So I just put this under my eyes, around my nose, on my acne scars. I feel very like glamorous right now, you know? I'm just gonna blend all this out with a damp beauty blender. As you can see, you can already tell the difference. And I also put some on my eyelid because I have a lot of veins on my eyelids. So it helps like cover those up and cancel out the color. Using the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. I'm just gonna slowly build it up, the coverage. Blend all this in with your damp beauty blender. Again, I put it on my eyelids and down to my neck. And put some on my forehead. Gotta be real careful here. The worst is getting foundation in your hair because it seems to not want to come off. I'm gonna add just a little bit more coverage where I have acne scars, so on my cheeks, and then a little bit more on my forehead. And I really like this foundation because it doesn't look cakey at all. And I want my foundation to look like it's my skin and not, you know, really cakey. I'll be using the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. I'm just going to draw some lines with my concealer and highlight the areas that I would like to highlight my face. Don't I look like a warrior? I look like I'm about to like see what I tell you guys. What the fuck I do? Jesus. Ah, what? Now this piece of hair. Okay, this is about freaking piss. So with your damp beauty blender, go in and blend all this out. Also spread it onto my eyelids. This is going to help prep my eyelids for the eyeshadow, which I'm not going to show in this video, but I will have it in a separate video. To set my face, I am going in with the Airspun Loose Face Powder and the Translucent Extra Coverage. And then I'm going to go back and blend out any creases that I may have. And go ahead and apply the translucent powder in the areas that you highlighted. I'll even set my eyelids. Some color back into the face with my BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Contour palette. And I'm using an angled brush. I believe this is from BH Cosmetics too. I really like their line a lot. Definitely one of my favorite lines. Only because like you can really get quality products and they're not expensive at all. And it really helps my clients because I get to provide like all colors. And BH Cosmetics is pretty good with that. I'm doing circular motions going upward. And try to be very light-handed as well. Let's contour this forehead, you know. And I just use that angled brush. This is from BH Cosmetics. It's the number 127. Go in with that same palette. I'm using my Ulta Beauty Peach Pop blush palette, the color Spice. It's kind of like a matte peachy, like dark peachy color. If you smile, it helps. We're gonna go in and blend everything out. And I'm using my Morphe E3 brush. This is one of my favorite brushes. I've been trying, you know, just to see if I could find like another one because I've been using this for years and I could never seem to find anything that I like better than this brush. Now that we have blended everything out, I'm going to go back in with the angled brush and just add a little bit more. I'm going to take a little bit more translucent powder and clean up underneath that contour line. And just blend it out. And for my setting spray, I'm using the Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water, which I've been using forever too. It just really helps like not give you that powdery look, but more of like a natural look. Now for my favorite part, the highlight. And I'll be using the Nicole Guerrero highlighting palette. And the color that I'll be using today is a Daydream, which is kind of like a peachy pink. Yes, yes. Do you see that? I know you do. There's no way you can't see this awesomeness. I put some on my Cupid's bow. And this is pretty much it. It's really easy. great for back to school. You can easily just pop some lashes on or put some mascara and lip gloss and call it a day, and you still look put together and beautiful. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.